How to turn off Normalize volume on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off Normalize volume on Spotify. First go to Spotify and now you need to click here in top corner to go to settings. Click on it and now you need to find Normalize. Where is it? This one. Just click on it. As you see, Normalize volume has been turned off. If you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And as you see, that's how to turn off Normalize volume on Spotify. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.